Healthy spirit. What is that?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's a spirit buff. Fucking farmers, dude.
Gold. It's way too
Oh.
Okay, everything else looked good. He has a lesser intellect. He's making a campfire. Agility, spirit, strength, stamina, armor.
Campfires? Jesus. Bro's locked in.
Alright. I don't know if this Mak'gora thing is gonna work or not. It doesn't look like it is. But maybe it will? We'll find out. I'll put it over here.
Thought of that campfire. That's smart. God damn it.
You know, people got so sweaty they would put campfires down in raid.
Every
Like-
buff counts.
Right. Is it down? Is that the flag? The flag is down?
That's the flag.
Shit. Here we go.
It's freaking Dappa.
Oh, sorry, guys.
I got my money on the shaman.
Yeah, I think so. I don't know.
I think I go against the winner of these two, so.
Okay, looks like it
Probably they
started.
both suck.
Rogue and Stealth.
I don't think there's a buff this shaman doesn't have, so.
Right. And he opens
Open.
on him.
Oh, he's getting fucked up.
Blue.
He's getting fucked up.
The ghost saber.
Oh shit.
Oh!
Oh, the pot.
Would you resist the
Resist
war
the
stomp?
stomp.
Rogue,
Uh-oh.
Rogue.
Cooked. Nope, he's cooked.
Oh,
my
no.
god.
Didn't even need the war stomp.
Look at that ear. A ghost saber? Fuck do you do that?
How do you get a space?
Okay. Oh yeah, so this thing didn't work. I just noticed. Okay. Alright, so let's see. That's gonna be... You're going against the shaman later. So next is Zella and the Flesh. Alright. This is when you just have him come to the middle. There's Zella. Where's the Flesh? Okay. Where is... Let me see here. People just randomly dueling.
Yeah.
I don't see... Oh, the Flesh is online in Stormwind? Let me see here.
Fucking muffins.
So the Flesh BMF is online in Stormwind. I'm messaging him right now.
That is not the correct location.
Right.
Paladin? I hope he forfeits. Fuck that. I mean, good luck.
The flesh is a hunter.
Oh. I mean, if homeboy ain't here.
Okay, so he said he thought there would be summons. No.
Alliance summons?
Right. He said he's not coming, so never mind then. So that means that... Let me fix this real quick. So that means... Let me do this real quick here. Okay. So the flesh was going against Zella.
I don't want to fight the shaman yet. Dude is juiced.
Maybe he doesn't have his cooldowns back. He probably does by now.
What is that kitty cat he summoned? What the fuck
You
was
don't even
that?
have fucking cooldowns at level 20. Yeah, that's true. He probably doesn't have that thing back for sure.
I don't know what that bullshit was.
Those things are usually like 30-minute cooldowns.
Okay, Zella. Alright, so the next fight is gonna be... Yeah, Quinn?
Mmm.
Alright. ASDBMFSM.
Type out his fucking...
I'm sure you're fine, but I have to check you.
You can check.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Nothing ridiculous. Dang.
Ridiculous.
You farmed those shoulders, eh?
I got lucky.
Yeah, alright.
Where's my opponent?
Where's Zella? I mean...
Where are ye?
wait. Did he leave? If he doesn't get here, then we'll do somebody else first. I don't know where he would have gone. Just people like randomly dueling over there. Okay.
Did he just win and leave? What is this?
I don't know.
Getting iced. He's bullshit.
Maybe he logged off to save his buff.
This is a big bitch.
Okay, so we'll move on and wait for that. So, yeah, next, what, are they even here? Okay.
Our ancestors be praised.
That guy's name is Negro Rhino.
Nope. Oh, BMF is logging over. Get ready, Quinn.
Oh. Oh, there he is. Do you want to re-announce? This is a big bitch. Look at this guy.
Oops.
Oof. Fell to their death.
Kate should have been at this journey. The flag is down. Gwen with the distance. Alright. It started, here we go. It's on the pet.
Oh wow, he slumber sanded you to kill the
Slumbered
pet.
already.
Yeah, he wants to kill the pet.
He's gonna.
Oof. Oh, the miss on that. With the slow. Quinn getting some distance.
Why didn't he frost shock you there?
They don't have frost shock.
Oh, they don't have you yet? Oh wow.
Quinn is slowed. Okay, there he goes. Oh shit. ASD is getting low. Oh, he misses with the bomb. He's doing a heal. Getting the heal out. Oh shit.
He's almost and he's almost dead.
Oh, sleep set. Oh, he broke it early. Got a raptor strike.
Oh shit. Oh fuck. Oh my god.
Oh, got the slow on him. Got the slow on him.
And
About
it's
to be
over.
over. It's about to be over. Oh, I don't know.
Oh, holy
Oh shit! Quinn wins.
Wow.
I didn't deserve that stress. Oh
Wow.
my goodness.
That was a tough fight.
Oh,
I get all shaky when I freaking.
I'm all
punch you.
shaky. I don't like that.
I'll let them win the
Oh my
day.
goodness. I need a drink. Give me a sec.
He did good. He was a valiant opponent.
Stressed me the fuck out, that's for sure. Good man.
I got pretty close actually. I didn't know which way it was gonna go.
That's
Mm.
what he gets for hitting my ankle biter, man.
Okay, so Quinn moves on. And then here we go with what am I doing?
Run! Retreat! Run!
Shit, we got a pally. Oh shit.
I'm hoping this pally dies. I don't know shit about paladins. Praying on his downfall.
There's no way they can be good at level 19, right? No way. They're not even good at max level.
They're not even good, dude.
Yeah, they're not good at all. So
Fucking losers.
I guess in a level 19 fight, a bubble's a huge advantage, though.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nah, he's a hunter, dude. He's gonna make me proud. It's my boy. My oi.
Alright, both of them are getting ready. I messaged them on the line and let them know it's on you guys.
He's got 600 mana. That's it?
Can't see how much HP the Alliance guy has. I should have brought my Alliance tune.
It's like 2k.
This guy says fuck I pro.
Oh, you got the black label? Oh, shit.
He's already targeting the pet. Ear Snatcher. Oh shit.
Ear Snatcher? Look at this guy. Imagine naming your pet something dumb.
I mean, he might snatch your ear. You never know. I wonder if he's gonna go after the pet too.
Probably not. I
I
think
don't
that's
think he's got enough. Do they
Yeah.
have like sticky glues and shit on Alliance?
What
do they have?
You can get the marbles.
They can get the
What?
dust from the.
What does Marble do?
I think it's like 50% reduced hit chance or something like that.
Yeah, that's true. They do get that, and they also get the slumber sand from the elementals in Westfall.
Oh, that's right. You can just farm the slumber sand. That's right.
Mm-hmm.
Trust, he didn't. Trust. Trust.
I farmed a bunch of elementals on my Alliance tune, and I didn't get shit. So I don't know.
Oof, I guess now. Feel like he just hit 19 like a day or two ago. I don't know. Maybe he was farming before, but
No, it's starting.
looks like it's
Starting.
starting.
Oh god, he's trying to get some.
Run!
distance.
He got the stun.
Immediate
Oh
hodge.
no.
Oh, nice net.
Getting the distance. Getting that distance. Ear Snatcher's going for ears.
Your snatcher's almost
Sergeant's
dead.
half health. He's getting kited. He's getting
Yeah.
fucking getting dogged on. Probably potted.
He still has bubble and lay on hands though, so that's scary.
Mm-hmm.
And the pet's dead.
No, Ear Snatcher.
Bubble now. Bubble now. Don't let him get away.
Potting.
Nope, he was about to
Jesus.
go bomb.
Pepper's half. Pepper's low on mana. Low on mana, a little low on health.
Blessing of Freedom out.
Go numb, you got this shit, dude.
Oh wait, do they
Fucking
have
got
lay
this
on hands at level 19?
They do. I think it was
They do.
18.
He better use it
Got a
now.
mana.
Use the bubble. What are you doing? What is he
Keep
waiting
kiting.
for?
Get that wing clip out.
Oh, another
Ooh,
net.
the net.
And then bubble now. Bubble. What are you doing?
Blessing
What?
of
Don't root
Freedom.
for this guy. Don't root for him. Fuck him. Oh,
He's
slumber.
playing. He's playing
Bandage.
terribly. Oh, okay. He had a slumber sand. That's up his sleeve. That's why he didn't bubble yet.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-oh. Numb's half health in melee range.
This isn't looking
Okay.
good for the hunter. This
He's
is
got a
not looking
There's
good.
the wing clip. Wing clip coming out. Just get distance. Yep. There you go. He is
Why didn't-
full health and You gotta keep kiting, dog. You gotta go.
I'm sure he has a health pot still, no?
I think he used it early.
Oh, there's the Hodge. It's over.
Uh-oh.
This is over.
Wing clip. Get that wing clip. There you go. Keep running, keep running. Nice. Poke him down. He's out of mana. You just gotta keep kiting. Got the shit. Oh, no res. Oh, no.
Wait, that was no
Blessing of
res?
Freedom.
Yeah.
What? What the fuck, bro?
Rip the boy.
Another
Gotta
person that
run.
should have been here.
Gotta get the concuss. Dead zone.
Oh no.
Oh. Ooh,
Maybe
bandage?
Oh,
There's
oh,
the bubble. There's the
The
bubble.
bubble. Hurry, shut. Fucking run! He's not even
No.
attacking, dude. He's just taking off. Sergeant's like full mana now. It's over.
Blessing of Freedom
the
came back
hunter.
out.
Rip the
He's
hunter.
got 13 health. He's fucked. Yeah.
He's got to get a pot coming up soon.
Oh,
There it
there's
is.
a pot. There's a pot.
There's the pot.
There's the wing
Wing
tip
clip.
kite. Nice,
Okay,
nice.
okay.
Oh, oh, the Hodge again,
Uh-oh.
bro.
This might be it.
It's
Oh, he's still wing clipped, though.
Oh, cleanse
Blessing of
himself.
Freedom, Blessing of Freedom.
Fucking paladins, dude.
And
Nope.
it's over.
He's cooked.
Oh,
Oh, 1% in a dream,
the
dude.
grenade's gonna
Oh,
kill
the
him.
Kobe. Oh, nice throw, bro.
Death by grenade would be sick.
He's running for his fucking life.
Probably gonna try to eat. Oh, he can't go too far because of the guards. Yeah.
Yeah, he's
okay.
gonna be. I think he's at the range. Yeah. The net. Okay. No.
Missed.
Oh, goalie. He's gonna be out of range soon. This
This
is it.
paladin's probably so annoyed right now.
He's like, bro, please.
Yeah, he's like, what is this gameplay mechanic?
Oh, they're so far. I can't catch up. Oh, I don't have my.
He's one. He's at one. They're
Oh,
going
no.
around the house. Oh, the
No,
concuss.
the
They're going
concussive
around.
stun! Oh,
Can
shit!
Paladins not just learn a bow or something? Just fucking do a range shot real quick, bro.
Blessing of Freedom's out.
Oh.
I don't know if they
Uh-oh.
can, actually.
This is the end. There it is.
Oh no.
Rest in peace. God damn it! Now I have to fight that guy.
'Cause
Bullshit.
they get, like, Librams or whatever, right? Instead of a
Yeah.
ranged weapon?
Yeah.
Rapier Snatcher, dude. Oh no.
It was a valiant effort. Again.
Okay, so Sergeant
What's the
Pepper
cooldown on
from the-
Bubble?
It's like
10 million years.
It's like an hour or half an hour or something like that.
Oh, say less.
It's a long time.
Money.
Okay, so next is
Get Scrub out there.
Muffins doesn't have enough money to pay me.
This fucking guy. He's in debt. It's called a gambling addiction.
It's brutal.
Oh, yeah, he
Fucking
didn't lay on
scrub.
hands.
Let's
He
see what
didn't
the
lay...
Warlock looks like. Oh, he didn't, huh?
No, he didn't lay on hands. He saved lay on hands.
Book!
no, that's not okay. Okay, just gonna take a little look.
Can we get that dead cat out of the way, or someone like drag it out of the way?
Aww, poor cat. Just someone. We need somebody here to move the bodies. All right, looks good. Why can't they get up this hill? Okay. Who's that? Okay, that was one BMF. Where's Zella? There he is. I think I already looked at Zella. Yeah, I did. Yeah, I did look at him already. Okay. I was following. I didn't even have Cheetah on.
I used my faintly glowing skull already. I'm vulnerable.
Oh, shit.
Don't like this. The fucking Warlocks.
Warlocks have stack, right?
Going imp out, huh? Yeah.
Mhm.
Dave's like in raid right now, like whispering me, like, who do you fight next? I love him.
Somebody wants
Flag
to
is down.
switch.
These two warlocks.
One's doing void, one's doing imp. Interesting.
Mm-hmm.
How does this guy have a holy protection potion? Fuck.
What even is that?
The holy protection.
Yeah, he's got
How,
holy
dude, he
protection.
giga nerded this shit.
Yeah, I've
And he's got the
never.
black label.
I don't even think I've
Thanks,
ever
bro.
seen that before.
Thank God if I make it to the finals, it's him. I don't have to fight him earlier. The fear itself. Okay, the fear came out. He slumbered the void.
This might be a
Ooh,
long
the fear
fight.
again. I know. It's gonna be a dot battle.
That fear is
Where's
gonna
the
start
link?
having diminishing returns. I'll put it in public chat.
And
They're pro-
spiders.
It'll probably just end with them wanding each other.
Yeah.
Nah, somebody looks like they're taking decent damage.
Okay, so that's the macro.
Is he okay? Oh. Panicking.
Get the fear off.
Fear him laid. The void running with him. Loyal companion. Oh, the void is on him.
Is this imp dead?
Yeah, I think so. Uh-oh, the fears, goddamn it. Such a disgusting fight. This is such a...
That's whoever gets the last sphere that wins.
He's out of mana. Scrub is out. He is wanding now.
That's
Just getting wanded down. Half health, no mana. It's not looking good for Scrub.
Do you mana pod or health pod at this point?
Zella's getting
Health
knocked out a little
pod.
bit.
he just health
They
potted.
have, they have lifetime.
Letting mana come back.
Oh wow.
Fear. Oh no.
Oh
Well,
no.
Forsaken
Oh
is
no.
up.
Oh no. Zella had it. What
Zella
happened?
He's done. Is this the end? This is the end. Scrub takes it. What?
He had it in full
No.
control. What happened?
He
was
had
in full
that shit.
control. What the
Oh.
fuck? He was literally in full control. How do you let that happen? Ah.
I am absolutely robbing Muppins right now.
Fucking Scrub.
Okay, so one BMF moves up next.
Warlocks are broken, bro. Fucking stupid as shit.
Okay, so I wonder if... I don't see dumb here, and I don't see weak. So I think that bracket is dead.
No, I didn't mean to. Go away.
Oh, hey guys.
Okay, so I think that bracket is pretty dead. So one BMF is actually going to be moving on to the semifinals because dumb BNF and weak nips are not here.
Why would you waste all that time gearing up a character and then not even fucking show up?
Right. Well, I think that, Kate, weren't you saying that weak BMF is, weak nips was, like level 4 or something?
Yeah.
The fucking shaman purged my one scroll, dude. Fuck that guy. I had my stamina scroll.
You don't have another one?
No, I had one. What a butthole, dude. Uh-oh.
Oh, here you go, Quinn.
No. Fucking paladin, looking stupid ass looking.
He doesn't have bubble, so
Just lay on hands, right?
yeah.
Yeah, but he can do that even at no mana.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but then he's good for nothing
Something
else if he
new.
has no mana.
I mean, if he has no mana and he has lay on hands, then he has 100% health.
Good thing he's a hunter and he should kite him.
What's poppin'?
Heyo.
Just murder, you know.
Can I get an invite to the group to watch?
Yeah.
Alright.
Just logged in.
Let's
Solo
fucking
Thurn.
send this shit, dude.
Who are you on? Sorry, I didn't hear you.
Solo Thurn.
Did it not
Shaman.
Got you.
drop? What am I watching? I agree.
I didn't even
It's
see
not-
the flag.
Yeah, it's not letting me. Oh, there it is.
Sucks that I died this morning.
I know. You messaged me and I was like, no.
I agree.
Died to the fucking Quillbores that cast in
They're going.
Barrens.
They're going.
Oh, I stuck on the wall.
Why didn't your trap go off?
Because he's cheating.
Oh, there he goes. There goes the trap, trying to get some distance.
Yo, gotta heal ankle biter. Oh,
Oh, pet's dead. Pet's dead.
This is good though. This is still good.
wow, the paladin's getting fucked up.
He used a
Immune.
potion. He used a potion.
Kiting him like he's a fucking rare mob.
Careful with the hills.
Watch out for the Hodge.
Blessing
Totally
of
coming.
freedom. Blessing of freedom.
The hell was that? What did you just
Sleep
do?
sand.
What?
Sleep sand. Sleep sand.
That wasn't me. I don't know what he did.
I thought you drank something.
Oh, there's a potion that puts you to sleep and recovers your health like immensely, right?
Oh, that's kind of cool.
Yeah, like the slumber potion or whatever. You know what I'm
There's
talking
the
about?
lay on hands.
Oh, he's out of mana. That serpent sting.
Ooh, he misses with the bomb.
Whiffed the bombs.
Careful with the walls.
Oh no.
Oh.
Nice wing clip.
Oof. You almost got him. You
Show him,
almost got him.
show him mercy.
You almost got him. Oh,
There's
the bubble.
oh, he
goes
had
out.
bubble? Oh my
Oh,
god.
he
He
still
must
has
have just
bubble.
got that. He must have literally just got it.
He's not gonna full heal. The confidence.
Oh. Get that
Just
distance.
die!
Get that distance.
What kind of healing potion shit does he have now? This guy has everything in the fucking game.
You got him.
Immune!
He has Blessing of Freedom out.
I can't see his buffs. I forgot. I was like, where's his blessings?
Oh no.
no.
Oh no, not like this.
No.
Not
me
like
alone.
this.
Leave me
He's
alone.
still drinking shit.
Misses with the bomb. Get a couple
Immune. Please don't do this. Leave me alone. You're stinky and ugly. Go away.
He's just running him down.
Sounds
This
like
isn't a fight. This is an
himself.
execution.
It really is.
No.
Wing clip, wing clip.
It's over.
No, I can't slumber. Oh,
Oh no.
son of a bitch. Dude, that was rough.
I was not expecting the paladin to win that.
I hate paladins. To be
Bro,
honest.
he drank like 17 things during that fight.
Mhm.
Okay, so Sergeant Pepper moves up.
This fucking paladin's about to take this shit.
Oh, I see how I fucked up.
For the alliance.
I fucked up this thing. Oh well, it doesn't matter. Okay, and then one BMF.
Wait, why are you? I can't understand what the gnome is saying. Gotta inspect his gear. Let's see what we got. Sheesh.
Inspect whose gear.
I'm inspecting one BMF's gear.
Oh. Mm-hmm.
You got a second ring, I see.
Wait, is this the finals?
Yeah, this is actually
Oh,
the
wow.
last
Oh, it's
fight.
the warlock versus the paladin. Oh,
Top 3,
no.
baby.
Okay.
Dude, he's got this.
Where is Sergeant Pepper? Oh, I can't. I can't put a skull on Sergeant Pepper, so I'm just gonna keep.
Any level 9s want a Mak'gora on me?
Yeah, he's got scrolls for days.
Look at that shit, dude.
God damn. My shaman would love just spelling all those off.
Flag is
I know.
down. Flag is down.
Still mad at the shaman for getting rid of my stam scroll.
I don't think it would have mattered in your case.
I'm blaming him though. Oh, he's swinging on him.
Start casting. Start casting.
Nap time.
Slumber Stand came out.
Already?
Yeah, why did he?
Fucking.
Feared.
Yeah. The Warlock's misplaying this a little bit, but
He's probably hoping for the cooldown to come back.
Nah, I thought, but then this is the strat. This is the way to do it.
He's getting bonked. Get the fear out. Naded right in
oh,
the
he
face.
got bombed.
No way an alliance comes and disrespects us, dude. Put this guy down. He's not winning.
He's already won some money. What do you mean?
Yeah,
wanted to win all
Bro, I'm about to twinkle level 19. When are we doing this next?
Yeah,
No, we
I
just
gotta get ready.
spent like a month doing this one.
Yeah, and I still died on the last day.
On the last day, though.
I died
Void has been
previously,
put
which is-
down.
Just let him heal.
Oh shit! How did you
Coming
break
back.
that? How did
Uh-oh.
you break that?
Popping fears. He's gonna summon the void. No. Too far,
You
yeah.
ranged him.
Lock
Fears him
in,
out,
dude.
give him the coward debuff. That'd be crazy.
Yeah, fear him out. Sleep him in the out of bounds.
When BMF is having
Should
trouble.
have just done that, dude. What the hell? Pull his eco.
I wasn't expecting Paladin to be this good.
Gotta wait for his fear DR to come back. Nice.
Getting void back. Get the void. There it is. Oh, he's long gone. You got
You
time.
gotta sleep him out here. Make him coward.
Now. And he's coming back. Full
Now
health,
he's
full
still
mana.
health. He still hasn't used bubble.
He needs that stack,
land
but he's just gonna kill
hands,
the
or...
void again. Yeah. Paladin OP.
Warlocks can still kill you with like no mana, so it's
Right.
He is just rocking this void.
The Warlock never has no mana as long as they have health.
Ooh, fear to save the void. Very nice. He's still full mana though.
No, he just potted. Yep. Oh,
That-
killed the Void
that-
Walker. Oh, sacked it. He sacked it.
yeah, he sacked it. Yeah.
Oh.
Not
Damn, he
showing
just did
up.
a lot of
Gotta interrupt that.
damage.
Gotta interrupt that.
He doesn't have death coil yet.
Got the immolate.
This isn't bad though. He's
Fucking
doing
run!
And he's full health.
as
Yeah,
long
full
as
health, full mana.
BMF manages his mana. This isn't bad.
They're both
But
BMF.
He's
the
really
stack is,
wanding him? Oh my god.
Or, the Warlock, I guess. Yeah.
He danced? Oh hell no. The Paladin straight just danced on him.
Void coming back. What's a
Yeah,
sack?
this isn't over yet. I mean, this is fine.
feel like
BMF's
it'll
got a
never
lot of
end.
mana too.
Yeah.
Well,
I wanted to fight a
first
warlock,
aid.
dude. I was so ready.
And they're both full health again. It's
Full-
just
full.
gonna be. It's just gonna be running the Warlock out of mana.
Killing the
really.
void, and then the void gets sacked, and then fear and respawn.
That Paladin's not in here, right? Not in
No.
the call.
No,
I know
But,
one BMF's
but
got a
I-
bunch of holy protection potions on him.
but I
So
am.
if the cooldown comes back up.
Mm-hmm.
I am streaming.
Nap time.
there's a delay. It won't help him during a live. Well, maybe actually, yeah.
A couple
'Cause-
seconds. Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a 3-minute fight.
Yeah, I was
minimum.
gonna say if the duels go on long enough.
20
that-
minutes.
Yeah.
It's like taking
So-
down a pen and pad next to him in the
You're
mid.
gonna re-drink all your pots anyways.
Don't forget your 1-hour cooldown.
He's got it like crazy.
Mm.
Oh.
Yeah, he's-
chain fear.
Might be able to fear him off, and he doesn't get to.
Wait, he still hasn't used bubble though. I haven't seen him use bubble.
It might be down. It might be down from the last fight.
Oh my God.
there it is.
Oh
There it is.
shit!
And Voidwalker's dead.
And he's got tons of mana to
Shit.
heal. Oh, he didn't even use it all.
Get him running.
Here.
Beard.
Diminishing return though. It's already. Uh-oh.
Why did he run towards him? He should have been running away and dotting.
The Granada. He whiffed it.
He should have got more distance there. I don't know why he was running towards him.
Run towards the Horde guards.
Oh hell no.
Putting dots up.
Get his ass. Got the
Oh.
dots.
This might be it right here. This is it. If he
Just
just runs
drink
away,
something.
just run away. He's been drinking constantly. This guy has so many consumes he brought.
What is he drinking? That
Run
sounds
away!
such a low
Get
Run
him,
away!
get
Run
him,
away!
get
Run
him.
away!
He's
Why are
just
you not
laying
running away?
Ugh.
You shouldn't be
I
letting
tried-
him get this close.
What is he drinking? Is what I'm
Scoot and
wondering.
boot, brother.
All right, it's over now. It's over. He has no
Fears aren't
mana.
gonna do anything anymore.
Yeah.
This is it. Maybe
He
pots
didn't.
up.
Oh, the sleep. The 30s. Oh wait, he broke it. What?
How did it break?
Oh, there's a pot. He had a pot.
You got hit with a. Oh wait, that was the sleeping pot to heal you, not an
Yeah.
actual sleep dust.
Yep.
He's full health, full
Way to
mana.
get that.
Yeah, this is.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. He'd use that against Quinn as well.
Mm-hmm.
Slumber pot.
Granada. Uh-oh.
The dreamless. Wait, what?
Dreamless sleep.
That requires level 35 to use
Oh.
though.
Must be a different one. Boy, you better
I think it's
run.
called like a slumber potion.
Yeah.
Bandage. He's
He's eating.
Oh, it's not over yet.
Oh, shit.
Don't stay sitting. He's gonna crit
Paladin's
you.
coming back.
It's gonna
Paladin's
crit
coming
you.
back.
Fear's not
I
gonna
don't
help
think
much.
this fight's ever gonna end.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Imagine
Well,
his
you know-
line.
You were
Oh, he's not
If
gonna
they-
get to summon it.
real close. It's gonna be
2-1.
real close. He got it.
Oh, he took like half his health right there to get that void though.
Chunked.
Was it worth it? Okay,
Maybe
now.
back.
Okay, bandage. Do you
He's
have a
creating a
band-aid?
health zone. Okay.
You got a bandy? There's her bandy. Nice, nice.
Sergeant Pepper coming back.
I don't know why you didn't kite him earlier though. It was really weird why he was like running towards him. I think he would have won
Probably,
already.
I'm looking it
probably
up.
for range.
He was like right on top of him. He wasn't trying to get any distance. Weird.
Oof.
You know, I tried looking it up. There's not a single low-level sleep potion. At least the lowest level is 45 or
Mhm.
35. I don't know what he's.
What he's using.
Chugging
Games.
something over there, dude.
Yeah, he's been drinking a lot of shit. Whatever he's been drinking.
He's just spamming dark runes or something. It's-
Dark runes.
Uncooked deviate fish? Question mark. Interesting.
Oof. Got the fear off. He's healing. He has plenty of mana. This could go on forever.
Don't think this fight's gonna end. Someone's gonna get bored and get greedy.
See, like right
Really
there.
has the deviate fit, dude. That's crazy. Giga nerd stuff. I would never have known.
Really, the deviant. What does the deviant fish do?
It's like a chance to like rejuvenate or put you to sleep
Oh.
or whatever. So he's just
I
biting
had some
that
of those on my
shit.
shaman, but anytime I ate it, it just gave me spirit.
I hope he runs out of them eventually. This fight's got to be longer than he thought. Saki? Uh-oh.
Bomb.
He's still alive.
Well,
Sacked.
getting kind of close to the entrance. There's
Oh.
a horde guard. And the whole guard storm
Yeah.
axe.
Kite, what are you doing? Why are you
Bot.
standing there and wanding?
Because
Shit.
he has a
sack
shield.
up.
Yeah. Shield lasts like 30 seconds.
The looping. Oh my god.
Just going in circles.
And also, that sleep potion has a 2-minute cooldown.
See, look,
There's
why
no
is
way
he
to be able to use it as many as he has.
No, yeah, it's like the uncooked fish. I think he's just chewing on him, biting on him.
Oh, he did it again.
Mm-mm.
Well, we can't tell if it's like that or if,
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh.
He's got so much mana though. He's fine. And now he's got to wait for fear DR.
Oh.
Well, why? I don't know why he's
Ice.
not keeping his distance. Keep your
It is
distance,
the
bro.
fish. If you look at him, he occasionally has the buff Party Time, which is one of the buffs from the fish.
Mm-hmm.
It also has Sleepy,
He has
Shrink,
a
Healthy
He
Spear,
has a
and
health. There he
Invigorate.
goes. There he goes.
So the way to do this might be to just kite him out until he runs out of the fishies, but
He's
19,
not
17.
doing a
He
good
slept
job
out
kiting
early.
him.
Oh,
He
his
needs to be
racial.
more aware of distance.
I mean, I even tried to kite him, it just did not.
Well, he has
It's
blessing
fine.
and freedom for you, so you couldn't even get away any way to get away
Half
from
my
him.
stuns were immune.
Yeah.
Like, instead of that second wand, he should have been moving back already. Now he's gonna take a big melee hit for a wand. Like, that's not gonna work out for you.
This fear would drive me
The
insane
bandage.
if I was this guy.
Oh no, I would have lost it. But Shaman has Tremor Totem, so
And you could just Earth Shock, bait it out, ideally. Uh-oh. The bonk.
The distance on that is crazy. Oof.
They both get coward debuff and
what
live.
he has to be. It's showing him drinking a potion. Like what?
It's got to be the
Party
Devious
time.
Fish.
Yep.
Or maybe some special potions has a really low cooldown. Maybe some like unique thing.
No,
Nah, it's the fish.
it's the fish, yeah.
He just has so
How is he
fucking
getting
many.
so lucky? He, just keeps
He only has so
getting
many bag
Invigorate.
spots, alright? Surely. Oh, he's hucking
He
more
says he didn't
nades.
spend the last 2
Oh,
weeks
he
fishing
hit
up
with the
deviant
bomb.
fish.
He hit with the bomb.
You got a full DR fear off though, or no? It's half DR.
Yeah, I haven't seen a single Shadow Bolt go out, but I've been seeing him wand. It's...
Got the dots.
Oh, fear.
Yeah, keep running, keep running, keep your distance, man.
He has to stay in range to be able to put up dots.
Uh-oh.
It's like a 25-yard range.
Yeah, but you can do that immediately after you fear and then run.
Uh-oh. This might be
Oof. He
it.
broke that early.
He's laughing.
Yeah.
Only that 30. Only
He's
the 30-second
laughing.
sleep from the fish wasn't like removable from your buff bar.
Full fear.
Oh,
Okay.
it bubbled again. Oh shit. Run one.
Yo, that's a big win for one though. He got
Both
bubble
have
again.
no mana. I mean, they both have infinite mana, man.
Next tournament we do in the Giribashi Arena, I like that.
How would we get there?
Level
If we're
60.
doing like level 30 characters, I would not waste the time. I
Level
don't even have a normal level
59.
60.
Everyone just needs you go with an escort, like like trainers, like fighters have trainers. You know,
Yeah,
your trainer,
bodyguards.
your trainer escorts you to the ring.
One with an epic mount just like walks in front of you and clears the way.
I would never do a super high level tournament. Like, I don't even have a max level character.
Make another
19
health
was
stone.
Giga Nerd enough. You had to start farming at like 13 to get
Don't
all
let
the
him hit
shit.
you while you're sitting. Oh, nice. Nice sleep.
Ooh.
Dots are going up.
I feel like I have time to go grab a beer, Loki.
That's why I keep.
You'll finish it and it'll still be going on.
Nope.
Yeah, I've
Someone
already,
follow.
Summoning his imp.
I've already had like 2 beers this fight.
I know.
I keep
Had
them
one
on
just
deck.
since I
His
died,
imp, not
dude.
his Voidwalker.
He's healing. He's healing over there.
This should have been me, dude.
Just gonna
I want the
kill
glory of winning
and
this
it's already
part.
dead.
Oh, it's already
got the
dead.
no HP.
Yeah, GG.
Single fireball. God, warlocks are so insufferable with the fuse.
Someone's got to do something different here.
With how this fight's going, it genuinely could be his best bet just to fear him out of the zone.
Yeah, fear, slumber
Dude,
sand,
this
and
is
call it
awful.
Oh,
Honk.
the stun.
Yeah, his Hodge was on DR too, though. It looked like.
Dude, it's like this is like the 4th time he's used it.
Oh, literally just came off DR at the perfect time. Wow.
Got the MLA. Dude, Shadow Bolt. I don't know. Cast something on him. Bonk his ass. Oh, goodness.
Already healed.
He needs to get more distance from him. I think is the problem.
He's running. Oh,
I mean, at least it's not an anticlimactic fight, alright?
And he fears and resets.
Is that gonna be immune? Yeah, he's immune right now. What are you doing?
He's shrink. He is a baby. Uh-oh.
No, I guess
Uh-oh,
that's
I
one
think this is
negative
it.
to the fish.
Oh shit! I think this is it.
Oh,
Oh, no.
Oh
this is
no!
It's over. It's
Rest
over.
in pieces.
Oh,
Oh,
Two
the
health!
fear. Pop the
Well,
bandage.
that's not. It,
Two health! He
Pop
made a
the
soul
bandage.
stone. He made a health stone. It's probably still on cooldown, though.
Eating. Oh my god.
that's disgusting.
Don't let him hit you while you're
Paladin's
fighting.
just running back in.
Got him up.
I would have broke my keyboard if I was this paladin.
Dude, I'd been like, fuck this. Are you serious?
This is awful.
Even with all of his
Oh,
stun resist
I've
and shit,
always
I'd be going
hated
insane.
warlocks, and this is
It's-
why.
He's
It's
going
crazy to
deep.
release the game at this state. Like,
This
with
isn't
Warlocks
released. This
being
is
able
the
to do
last
this.
update for Classic.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But it was still like they still released it to the public in this state. You know, like, even though it's the last patch of Classic.
Dude, I
crazy.
feel like hunters would have just bodied the warlock. I'm so mad. This is the
Kinda
final.
low. I feel like if you cast a Shadow Bolt, he'd die already.
Yeah, just dot him around the corner. Uh-oh. The LOS. Ooh.
Oh, is this it?
Oh.
The dots?
Oh.
Yes! Let's
shit.
go! Shit!
25
My
minutes
man!
later.
Where'd he
Came
go?
back!
LOS around the... I should have done
Oh, wow.
that. Fucking alliance. He did put in the most work for this too, so I'm glad he got the win.
Oh man. I didn't even see it.
I told him about the Stranglethorn event earlier, how to do it safely. He was even doing that to try to win.
Oh man.
Jesus. What are the prizes? Is it top 2?
So top 4.
Say less.
So, 1 BMF, 2K gold. He can take it in Horde or Alliance gold.
Damn.
And everybody else is gonna get kits of stuff that are like worth 500 gold or something like that. I'm not too sure. Fixer said that he would get with you guys.
Strength and honor.
Wow, that last fight was fucking. I don't even know. Did he just keep him feared and then the dots just got him? I didn't see it.
Yeah, he got feared. I
ran
don't know
out
if he
of the corner
tried
to try
to
and heal and
deviate, but it slept him instead, and then that kind of... He like moved around the house and
I did
was
see
slept,
that.
I'd assume
I did
it was
see
his
that.
own. Yeah.
He moved around the house and tried to flash of light, but he made it around the corner and interrupted him. And the dots finished him off.
Rip.
I don't know what he used to interrupt him, but yeah, he managed to interrupt him.
Man, that was brutal.